Today I know you know I'm having a Temu haul. So this is $150 summer Temu haul. Well, if you say, girl, it's not summer yet. Yeah, I know, but because I love summer, so girlie just prepare for it. So yeah, it's normal for all the girlies always forget what did she order. So I don't know what is in this package. It's 11 pieces in here. Let's unbox together. Oh my holy moly. I mean, it's gonna be fun. Well, it's not gonna be, but it is fun. So let's go with this one. I think this is a set, as I remember, if I'm not wrong. Okay, so yeah, obviously a set. Well, my memory is not that bad, right? Whoa. Whoa. Whoa, I mean, she's cute though. She's cute. This is the bag. Can you see? Oh my god. And this is the short. Yay, so it has a top and a short. I'll try it on after I unbox all of these guys. The next one, let's go with black. I obviously don't know. I have no idea what is this. Probably a top, I guess. Oh, okay. She's not a top, but she a little cute dress. Can you see how cute she is? Oh my gosh, I love her. She's very cute. Let's move on to the next one. This time I'm gonna go with color. We have an orange. Well, I think this is a dress, so probably orange trash. Orange dress. Yeah, orange dress. Yeah. English is not really good, isn't it? Girls, you can't tell me this is not summer. Do you know what is this dress remind me of? But yeah, it's very summery, isn't it? Oh my gosh, she's very tight.
Wanna practice with me?
Whoa. Whoa! What do you mean? Look at her. Look at this green thing in here. Is it not cute? Let's go to the next one. This one. Girls, another dress. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Look at her. She's also cute though. She's very long. I mean, I'm 5'2". She seems like she's very long for 5'2". This is obviously for summer. I can't wait for summer. Another white one. Let's see what she is. Oh, white and black. Oh, okay. She's a top. Oh my gosh! This is the top that I always waiting for. You know, look at her and look at the back. It's empty in the back, so you need to tie it and then you can see your whole back. I'll try it on. I can't wait to try this on. I haven't seen something that disappoints me yet. Let's keep going. Alright, another one. She's kind of colory. Colory. Is it even a word? Well, it doesn't matter. I'm not English anyway. Wait. You guys... I'm screaming! I'm gonna scream! Look at her! Oh my god! Look at her! You can't tell me this is not pretty! This is bring me everything! It's just bring me everything! Oh, she's very cute. She's pink as well. Let's go with another one, but I need to close my eyes. So, a random pick. Let's see a random pick. Okay, alright. This is heavy. Can you tell me what is it? What is it? What color is it? I guess it's black. I guess it's black. It's black. Okay, let's see. What? Well, she's not black. Girls, what do you mean she's not black? She is black. But I know it's a skirt. Whoa! Yeah, I know you're gonna be shocked, as you should. Am I colorblind? This is black. Holy crap, bro. I thought it was blue. You know, oh, I thought it was a blue skirt like this. Like what I'm wearing. I mean, I hope she's low waist, but yeah. You can see her, you can tell she's not low-waist, but let's see. How many is this? This is made me scared. It doesn't look like she's not giving. I don't know, this is called trouser or what? A pants? Yeah! A pants! We're not British. I mean, she's not really giving. She's not really my style either. But let's see. Don't judge the book by its cover, so okay. Okay. Oh yeah, this is a top. So many tops. White, blue, black, and pink. This is the top look like. It's not bad though. It's kind of like the one I'm wearing right now, but it's just white. So this is the last one. This is the number 11. 11? So let's see what 11 look like. She's giving Y2K. Oh my gosh. Yeah. She passed. So yeah, that's all the packages. And it's time to try it on me. Let's see what it's gonna give. Alright. Lady, can you see me? I just want to make sure you see me first before we try to hold on. Okay, can you see me like normal? Okay, first thing first, I want to try this on because we opened her before anyone else. So, what do I supposed to do with this top? It has so many ties. How should I tie it? Like, hello? Girls, what the hell is this? What on earth? Can anyone please tell me how do I supposed to do with this top, please? Cause it's more complicated than math and physics. Oh, look at my... Ew. Why it look like this? I don't get it. Maybe this is a big fail for me with this set. Let's go with another one. Guys. Are you ready for this? I mean... Look at her. Oh my gosh. Girly, she giving, she cute, she everything. Okay, look at her. If she fit this way, she is absolute 100. Look at her. Okay, let's go to the next one. Girls, I mean, it look classic, elegant. You know what I mean? But this is just not my style. But if you ask me, is she cute? She passed? Yes, she absolutely passed. But she just too old for me. But she cute. I would wear it. Absolutely, I would wear it. I would put a bell around my vest. She's pretty though. She's pretty. I love her. What do you think about this one? Let me know. This one, I'm wearing this top, which is she's my favorite top, and then with the skirt, this skirt, I thought she's not really low waist, you know, but well, she's not bad though. She still, look at her, she's still not bad. They are fine, but put them together, it's not really giving any vibe because I don't think it's matching with this outfit together. I don't think it's really, you know, giving us that much, but the top and the skirt is the best. I like it. It's no problem with me at all. Okay, so now I just changed the top, but I still keep the skirt as normal. Girls, I mean, this is the best combo, I think. I don't know what you think. Let me know in the comment what do you think about this, but I think it's the best combo. And the top is just pretty as well. She's so pretty. Love them together. Time to go to the next one. Okay, alright. I didn't change the top. I keep the top, but I changed the pants. And obviously the pants is very disappointed. She's really disappointed. I mean, you can wear her at home. It's still not good wearing her outside, you know. But she's kind of warm as well. She's a bit warm. I don't really like her. Look at her. In here, I don't like it, so she fell. Yo, I think it's time to reveal my favorite dress for this summer. Ow! Oh! You know what? What is this dress remind me of? 13 going to 30. Yeah, but she's wearing a green dress, but this is not green. This is orange. Oh. I mean, okay. Okay, she's absolutely a 10. She's giving everything, and she absolutely a 10. She's gorgeous. She's perfect. Look at her. I mean, look at her. Oh, that's my sock. Okay. Alright, let's go to another one. Girls, she absolutely fit, but she's too long for me. Well, I said it because she's kind of a bit too long for 5'2", but she's fit. Look at her at the back. Look at her at the back. She's fit, yeah. I mean, she's fit. Can you see? Look how long she is. Very long. Alright, sweetie. We still have 2 more left to go. We can do this. We can do this. Oh, sweetie. I mean, this is what I expect. It's not disappoint me. So, this is the bag. Let me show Betty the bag. Did you see? Oh, yeah. Did you see? She's passed. I can't wait to wear her. Oh. Do you look hot? Yeah, I do. I know I do. Yeah. Okay, we have another one to go. Don't skip the video yet. Don't run away from me yet. Honey, I'm crying. I'm crying. I don't have to say anything, do I? Do I have to say a word? No. Alright. Bless you.
Thank you.
For this one, I have no word. No words. I let you guys leave a word because I have no words. So leave your words in the comment for this one. Please, I'm begging you because I have no words. Okay guys, this is all the 11 clothes, 11 pieces or whatever it's called. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!